Baba natin ang angkas. Hey everyone, it's Emilia. And today is the day before the shooting day. I actually told everyone who are very close to me that I will be participating in a film. So I'll be acting again for another indie shorts. And the reason why I went out is because I will be meeting my dialect coach. Wow, naks naman. Because the script is in Bisaya and I'm very, very excited.
Late ako sa appointment, dapat 1 p.m. pero 3 p.m. ako nakarating. Oh no.
I'm so sorry, Freya. My gosh. Okay, let's read some lines. Freya. Kagwapo man, uy. Yeah. Wait, magpakilala ka muna. Charot. So, Freya here is my dialect coach. Taga saan ka, Day? Cebu City. Anyway, we'll be reading some lines. Thank you so much, Freya.
Last June, nag-audition ako for a short film and 2 days after kong nag-audition, natanggap ko ang magandang balita. Anyway, I'll save that story for another vlog but for now, focus muna tayo sa aking preparation before filming and of course, yung day 1 ng aking filming. Anyway, during the first and third week of July, nagpatulong na ako kay Freya na mag-read ng lines. Na-meet ko si Freya here sa Mad Monkeys Poblacion while I was reading my script. Tinanong niya kung ano yung binabasa ko and I told her na I was reading a script and I have to understand it well kasi it's in Bisaya. And then, she told me na Bisaya siya and the rest is history. Hindi ko lang siya naging dialect coach but naging friend ko na rin siya. And yes, I am not Bisaya but I am a Bisaya by heart. For all of you who don't know, I did my first film last year which was also part of the same film festival na sasalihan ng film na tong gagawin ko. And it was also in Bisaya. Well, I'm so happy that I have learned to speak Bisaya because I really think that the language or the dialect is beautiful. So anyway, after throwing lines, I enjoyed the rest of my day and making sure na well-rested ako dahil alam ko na matinding puyatan na naman ang magaganat sa shoot. But I'm so excited kasi ito yung mga puyat na hindi ako magrereklamo at mapapagod. Anyway, this is now my day 1. So, ayan, nakikita nyo na ako na gumising. And part of my morning routine is to make my bed, mag-toothbrush, and mag-meditate. So, during this time, habang inaayos ko na ang aking mga curtains para pumasok ang liwanag, nag-meditate na rin ako, kinausap ko na ang sarili ko, and even if nagtututbrush ako dyan, kinakausap ko pa rin ang sarili ko. So, it's very important sa akin na tuwing umaga, I have a conversation with myself na tahimik yung paligid para nai-internalize ko yung mga thoughts ko and of course yung mga emotions ko. Lalo na kasi I will be shooting a film. So kahit mga rehearsals in set theater or film shooting, I make sure na parang clear-headed ako kasi maraming emosyon ang pagdadaanan ko sa araw na to. Ayun. After making my bed, I also made sure na lahat ng dadalhin ko para sa shoot ay andyan. Andyan ang tumbler ko, extra towel, extra underwear, and of course, makeup kung kailangan. After kong mag-shower, I also decided na i-refresh ulit yung sarili ko doon sa script. So, ayan, nagbasa ulit ako ng script and nag-internalize ako doon sa character. So, very, very important na ma-memorize yung lines kasi kailangan smooth sailing pagdating sa filming because ang kalaban natin dito ay oras. So, I've been waiting for this day and finally, eto na. This is the first day of our shooting for the short film. Nakasali ako and I'm really excited. I'm just waiting for my angkas or my joyride. And my call time is at 2 p.m. pero Ako kasi lagi akong may rule na kapag may shooting or may mga rehearsals, ganyan, as much as possible, dapat andun ako 1 hour or 30 minutes before the shoot para makapag-prepare, ma-feel ko yung vibe ng set, and para diretso na agad sa hair and makeup. And kapag may food, of course, kailangan kumain. Kung feel ko lang naman kumain. So, this is the first day of the film or the shooting for the film, and I'm so excited to give you some snippets or yeah, some snippets of the kung anong nagaganap doon. And welcome again to the Struggling Artist Vlog. Yes, and watch nyo naman para kumita si Ate Shi. Charot! Ayan, ready na ako and nag-aantay na ang angkas sa baba pero aura muna ako sa elevator. Paalis na sana nang biglang...
Diyos ko, may nakalimutan pa ako. Nakalimutan ko yung bra. Ayan. Ito yung nakalimutan ko. Yes, sobrang important ng silicone bra. Lalo na kapag may mga eksena na kailangan makita ang chinesuri. Okay. Let's go, Kuya. Take 2. Take 2.
At na nga, nakarating na ako sa location shoot or shoot location. Nakarating ako 12:30. Pero okay na din dahil mas gusto ko na early ako sa set para, alam mo yon, ma-internalize ko pa lalo and magbigay-pugay ako sa set para madama ko na kung ano yung feeling ng character. At dahil maaga akong nakarating, ayan si Ewoya, siya ang wardrobe for today or sa buong shoot. And nag-decide kami na mag-try out na ng mga shoes na gagamitin because there were some changes ulit sa look test. So, ang look test, nangyayari yan before filming or before shooting. Pero dahil merong major revision doon sa look ng character ko, kailangan ulit naming i-fit yung mga shoes and yung mga clothes to make sure na I'm comfortable and to also make sure na walang aberya or walang wardrobe malfunction na magaganap during the filming. Kasi, again, ang kalaban natin sa filming is time. And of course, 'di ba, kung may wardrobe malfunction, then kakain na naman 'yun ng oras. So, good thing na maaga akong nakarating diyan. At least nakapag-try out na kami ni Ewoya. After naming mag-fitting ulit, nag-memorize ulit ako ng lines and nagpahid ako ng lotion kasi medyo malamok po sa set. Charot! Naghaya ko kay Direk Timmy. Si Direk Timmy ang aming AD. And after kong mag-refresh ng script or magbasa ng script, syempre, check muna tayo ng prod, ng location, and ito yung nangyayari behind the scenes. And that one is our continuity or script con. Tinatawag siyang script continuity or script con director or person. That is Direk Gab Rosique. Siya ang naging director ko last year sa aking first film. Ayan. So, part din ng aking character ay magkaroon ng red mani-pedi, and that is Ate Priscilla, but I call her Prey. People call her Sheila, but I really like to call her Prey. Nanggaling yung Prey sa inspiration, or yung inspiration ko sa Prey ay dun sa First Day High, yung kay Maha Salvador. Di ba Precious yung pangalan niya, but Prey, yan. And that is our director, Direk Rod Veloso.
What a journey it has been.
Ito pa ang isang director, our DOP, Martika Escobar. Yes! Hi, Direk Marty. Ayan, eto na ang aking one of my favorite part sa prod. Libreng chibaw o taray, catering. Dumadami na ang mga prod people, nagsiset up na, kumakain na, para dire-diretso na. And while nagsiset up yung prod, nasa hair and makeup na rin ako. Okay, the girl here wearing white is Ate Rose. Siya ay isa din sa makeup artist. And yung naka-black naman dyan, mamaya makikita nyo siya, that is Ate Pau. Siya ang gumawa ng, how do you call that? Yung lace wig, yung widow's peak ng aking character. Nako, kailangan nyo makita yung vlog niya para makita nyo kung paano niya ginawa. Anyway, here is our company call. That is our producer, Sir Raj. And we are welcoming or recognizing each department. And of course, kumbaga, pagdadasal na rin na sana hindi magkaaberya during the shoot. And of course, we are joined by our international friends from other production or international productions. So, andyan ang aming Thai team or second skin for the prosthetics. Yung girl na katabi ni Sir Raj is one of our producers, Kono. Sobrang bait. Grabe, apakabait.
Our Japanese producer. And then we have Kota, our VFX supervisor, also from Japan. So from the Philippine team, we have Direk Martica and her whole camera team. And then we have CMB for our equipment. Thank you, CMB friends. Priscilla and her whole department for makeup and hair. We have Miguel, our sound. Our director, Direk Rodiel. Yeah, so before I turn it over to Timmy, I just want to say thank you to everyone for being here today.
That's Direk Rodiel, yung nakahawak ng mic. And that's Direk Timmy.
Around us ngayong lahat is so much talent. And, thank you for indulging in Provinciano's dream film.
After company call, balik tayo sa hair and makeup para matapos yung look. But habang mini-makeupan ako ni Ate Priscilla, Ate Pau, and Ate Ann, Ate Rose Ann kasi yung pangalan niya, prepare din ako ni Direk Gab doon sa script. So, nag-throw lines kami. Again, it's very important na ma-memorize yung lines, ma-internalize yung mga lines para hindi pa ulit-ulit ang take.
Ay, hindi. Ito yung magpapabebe muna si ano, di ba?
Oo, yung parang.
And more kabisa ng lines while makeup. After hair and makeup, go na tayo sa unang eksena or unang wardrobe para sa first eksena. Ayan na, tinadamitan na ako, hey? O, diba? Tulong-tulong talaga ang mga tao na bihisan at make-upan ng isang artista para mabilis ang pagkaskas ng mga eksenahan sa buhay. And after that, nilagyan din ako ng lapel. So, that's our lapel guy. Hi, Kuys! First scene na or first sequence na. Let's say hi to Ian Pangilinan, Jason Liwanag, and again, Direk Gabra Sike. At tapos na ang aming first sequence. Actually, tatlong sequence kami doon. Anyway, cut to, eto na, kausap na kami ni Ate Patty Lapus, our intimacy coordinator. Kung ano yung naganap doon, pinag-usapan lang namin yung mga magaganap na eksena kasi medyo spicy ang eksena. Yes! Set up ulit ng prod, set up ulit ng camera, change ng lens, and of course, kailangan nating mag-antay. We all need to be patient kasi as an artista, kung akala mo pagod ka, nako, mas pagod ang prod.
4:47 a.m. Hi everyone, it's 5 a.m. with my mga kumare.
Yes, may kumars!
The international
Sobrang
makeup
na-enjoy ko ang bonding moment with the makeup artist kasi during downtime or kapag hindi pa actors in, by the way, yun yung pinapatawag na yung mga actors para mag-blocking na. Yes. Yan, medyo pagod na si Ate Shi kasi ang sequence ay natatapusin for today ay 12 sequences and parang naka 6 or 8 na kami dyan. That's Madge, by the way, yung naka-green kanina. Siya ang co-actress ko din. And ayun, tapos na ang aming first filming day. Of course, hindi ko na masyado i-detalye para sa inyo kasi I don't wanna spoil anything.
It's 7:09 in the morning and I just got home from the first day of filming and I'm gonna sleep now. Well, I'm gonna take a shower and sleep.
part
Good
2 of
na
this
ako.
vlog soon. Bye!